Il-minuta tibdessa. Gialanze, artista. Mixa, in what way has nature inspired you?
Nature gives me tranquility. Nature gives me space. Without nature, I feel like life is missing something.
What can you tell us about your upcoming works?
So I looked at 11 vases, which will be on display with my work, and created an interpretation, a contemporary interpretation of the vases.
How do you see these vases as part of our heritage?
They have a knowledge, these vases, of herbal medicine, which has been there since the 17th, 18th century. They are part of us. We lost this knowledge. We lost the way to make herbal medicine in this way. And in fact, one of the talks we are going to have is going to be both about aromatherapy, both about the medicine, and there'll be a whole series of events going on in sync with this.